Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have your song and clips imported. Set the project FPS to match your footage and start in the edit page. Play the track and listen for the main downbeat. Put markers with M on each strong beat or every 1/2 bar so you get regular reference points. Once done, zoom the timeline in. Make sure markers align to peaks in the waveform so you lock timing to the music. This is faster than guessing and gives you a reliable grid to edit against. Now enable snapping with N so clips snap cleanly to your markers. This prevents micro offsets. Drag each clip start to the beat marker and use the trim and slide tools to keep action on beat. If a cut needs shifting, ripple delete the gap or use the playhead and right arrow to nudge by 1 frame for micro adjustments. Keep transitions aligned to bars so visual accents match musical phrasing. This synchronizes energy and avoids drifting because audio timing is perceived more quickly than visual mismatch. Finish by refining cuts. Add 4 8-frame crossfades or short speed ramps where actions slightly miss beats, and use the slip tool to adjust internal clip timing without moving cuts. Make a quick playthrough to check audio/visual sync and build render cache if playback stutters. Export using the original project FPS. If you still see drift, disable snapping, remark the song's beats from a clear reference, and confirm the clip frame rates match the timeline. Mismatched FPS is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.